If you love pickles and you love salad, then you are not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I have been eating a lot more salads lately just because I need to eat a little bit healthier. So I'm looking for a really good salad dressing that is not going to spike my sugar, and I think I may have found the perfect one. So today we are making a dill pickle vinaigrette. That's what I said, dill pickle vinaigrette. Why not? How many of you drink pickle juice right from the jar? I do. I don't know if I should admit that or not, but I do. But anyway, I thought this recipe sounded really good. It is from Sinful Nutrition. I will put the link to the recipe in the description box of this video, so please go check it out. You can print the recipe right from their site and check out all their other wonderful recipes. So let's go ahead, go over all the ingredients, and then we'll put this together. Friends, it is so simple. I can't wait to give it a try. We have some Dijon mustard, pickle juice. I have some olive oil. I have some fresh dill. I have that from my garden. I dehydrated, and then I have some granulated garlic. The recipe calls for garlic powder, but I always use granulated garlic. So that is all the ingredients, my friends. Now let's go ahead and put this together. All right, my friends. So I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil in here, and now I'm going to go ahead and add 1½ cups of my dill pickle juice. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon. Whoa, I almost dropped it. Oh, Lord. 1 teaspoon of my fresh dill. And then I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of garlic. And then we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of the Dijon mustard. 1 and 2. All right, we're going to give this a really good stir. It says to put it in a container that you can shake, like in a mason jar, and shake it, but I don't really have one of those, so I'm just putting it in here and I'm stirring it really, really well. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge for a little bit, and I have some errands to run. It's still early in the morning, so when I come back, I'm going to fix myself a little salad for lunch. I have a leftover piece of chicken from yesterday, so I'm going to throw that in there, and then we'll do our taste test and see what we think of it. Alrighty, so let's get this in the fridge, and then we'll be back a little bit later and do a taste test. Alright, my friends, I'm back from running all my errands, and let me tell you, it is hot out there. So I just went ahead and put together a little salad for myself. We're going to go ahead and mix this dressing up. I just took it out of the fridge. We're going to stir it really good, put it over our salad, and do a quick taste test. Alrighty, let's give this a good stir. My lid back on, and then we'll pour it over our salad. I just have some chicken, lettuce, onion, tomato, and cucumbers, and cheese. Alrighty, now here we go. Let's make sure we get a little bit of it all. Oh, this is good. Oh, man. It's not overly strong. Adding the chicken. You know what? Look, I'm sitting here eating and just see what happens. Sometimes I forget I'm filming. I'm thinking, you know, you could marinate some chicken in this dressing. Cook it on the grill and then top the salad with this dressing. Oh man, that would be over the top delicious. But friends, this dressing is absolutely delicious. I really do enjoy it a lot. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.